Okay, just turn on and it runs so fast. Okay, you can hear the sound of the fan inside and the air come out from here. It's cool, it's good. And let's see the speed. The speed is fast.
And how about you, Marshall? I'm okay. I'm just not much of a snow pup.
Oh, hey, Pete Poindexter! Come on, it's showtime! That's a million, Ryder.
Look at me. The tractor in his big ears. Just yell for help.
Okay guys, today I want to show you how to change the electric bike motor, because this one is slow. Let me show you. It can run only 33 km per hour, and this is what it should be. It's so slow. Now I want to change it to the bigger one. This one is 48 volts, so 350 watt, but I want to change to 48 volt, 1200 watt. I will change the motor and the controller. Okay, now I mark some uh, connection, so I don't confuse when I want to connect back. Okay, this one is my new motor. It is 48 volt, 1200 watt. It can run to 60 km per hour. That's what I am looking for. And this is the smart controller. Here I will change this one too. They have some mark in the Chinese language. Here it will plug with my old connection to replace this one. Okay, when I'm done I will show you again. Now I need to remove this wheel, so to replace with the new one. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, now I may need to replace the tire from the old tire to the new motor, and this is the brake. I need to know how long, so in the next time I want to buy the disc brake, the drum brake. I know the size, so it's more easy. Now I may need to install the new wheel on a bike already. It just take half an hour. So now okay, now the brake is working. I stick some black tape to protect water in here, and the orange cable go to up, and here is the connection. Yeah, now I will figure out how to connect with a new controller. And here it's so fit. I plug in this one and I connect the motor. Here is by color: blue, yellow and green. And here is the power here, in here. This one is the power, go into the positive and negative power control. These are a lot of connector, and I need to figure out which one to go to where, because so many connector here. Okay guys, after like 3 hours now I finished the wiring. After I chat with the seller, I figured out now how to install it, but it's hard to explain because this this smart control is not the same as this one, so I need to cut all the wire and follow the label. For example, this one is speed control. They have 3 lines here, and this one is shift control, anti-shift, and so many things. And I install a 48 volt to 12 volt, so it have a fan inside here to cool down this new controller. And now it works, all it's working. Okay, just turn on and it runs so fast. Okay. You can hear the sound of the fan inside, and the air come out from here. It's cool, it's good. And let's see the speed. The speed is fast. This is a lowest speed, but the lowest it equal the same as my old one, and it's strong, you see. And this is the fastest one. Yeah, the motor is strong, but I'm not yet test it yet. I will test it, and I need to put it back all. And now it's done. Sorry, I don't have something to explain the wiring because it's my first time. It's a bit complex, but if you have any question, you can leave the comment below. I can answer it. I will. But after I install this one, now I know a lot about the e-bike control. And this yellow wire, I replaced the big one. The last time it's very small, so I replaced it to the big one, and now it's perfect as I expected.